Come on, baby. Pulling it.
I got a pack.
Two. Elliot, come on, baby. Come on, Elliot. I want to see it, Elliot.
Look at how fat these packs are.
Do I get booklets too in this?
No, it's just thick
Sure, there's
cards.
booklets in here.
Come on, Elliot. Oh, wow. Super thick.
Oh,
Ooh.
a rated rookie.
Denzel Valentine.
Oh, Valentine.
Oh, that's nice. He's awesome. I love him. Michigan State, yeah.
Who's that? Who's that?
No, we did.
Jeff Shepard.
Jeff Shepard from Kentucky.
Auditor.
Carl Anthony Towns. Ooh.
Ooh. Jersey.
Toes in 99. Golden opportunity.
That's
All
nice.
basketball so far.
Gary Payton II.
Okay. 199.
Oh, basketball.
Jimmy Butler.
Jimmy Butler, the 25.
North Collegiate.
JB.
Chicago Bulls, right? JB to 25.
Oh, yeah.
What is that?
That was all B-ball.
Oh,
Sold, man. Thank you, sir. It's yours. Another basketball.
wow.
You sure this ain't basketball?
I swear it says collegiate. That looks like it's
Another
all
Kentucky guy.
Scow.
Scal.
No, I just pulled them.
Silver to 99.
Oh, who's that? Murray.
Jamal Murray.
Jamal Murray, another Kentucky guy. That's a Kentucky box.
Ooh,
A
wow.
quad.
That's nice.
Okafor, Winslow, Quinn Cook,
Cook.
and Tyus Jones.
That's actually a good one. Jamal Murray's a good one.
Yeah. Another Michigan State guy.
Was your auto on
Javante.
the bottom?
I think so. I'm hoping. Harrison Barnes. Nope.
No. Yeah.
Oh, this is collegiate basketball, you know.
Oh, now you say.
Dang it.
I just